everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is day 4. In the evening we are by the beach. We're here to see the sunset and I'm hoping that I can actually show you around. We will be heading towards a sunset point and I'll show you the view from there. So let's go. Foreigners are actually quite less comparatively. They're probably more active, I think, during Christmas, New Year time, and of course it's now that it's COVID, so there's not many of them on the beach though. This is almost towards the end of the beach where you have these rocky cliffs, and as you can see, this side is more crowded. The sun is almost sinking in. The place that you see there, which is right on the rocks, there used to be a cafe there. So let me try and maybe we'll go there. I think it's closed at the moment due to COVID. In fact, many of the well-known restaurants and all of that are no longer functional. They've either shut permanently or they've moved to like a smaller location, and Google Maps haven't updated such information as yet. So guys, as you can see, we have these big boulders of rocks that we'll have to climb and make it all the way to the top. So you've got to be extremely careful, otherwise you could just fall and hurt yourself. I hope that doesn't happen to me today.
Isn't it brilliant?
I think it's already looking gorgeous. So let's go on top and see.
Yeah.
So guys, check this out. So there's another beach here. I don't know if you can see. It kind of looks a little private and isolated. So let's go down and check that out as well. But if you are a sucker for sunsets, gorgeous sunsets, then this is the place. It's worth the climb, it's worth the hike. It's a small trek, in fact. This is hands down, I think, one of the most scenic sunsets that I have seen. Where you have these rocks by the beach and then you have a gorgeous sunset. And in fact, Palolem is, by the way, anyways, known for having gorgeous sunsets, but I think this just makes it all the more beautiful. So let's explore a little further. Wow, just look at these guys. I was in a hurry and I forgot to actually wear my snorkeling shoes. Otherwise I could have walked in the, a little in the water as well. I can see some fish. I don't know if you can actually see them. In the distance you can actually see a man fishing, and there's one more gentleman here behind this rock fishing as well. How cool is this? I hope they get a catch today. I would definitely like to see that. Wow, this is just gorgeous. So guys, this for me has certainly been one of the best trips that I have ever experienced, especially in India. And like I mentioned in my earlier videos as well, this is the first time that I actually plan to make a visit to Palolem. And I've been seeing a lot of blogs and reviews, and I didn't really know what to expect, but this is just heaven, guys.